Okay guys, back here again. As you can see, I'm all on, I think. Here's Caleb. Yeah, we're gonna talk about our arsenal of Airsoft and Nerf.
So we'll get started with Airsoft. So first we have sniper here, and if you look through the scope, you can see that it has a laser sight. So look through it. If you look through it, you see there's nothing. Then watch this.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you put that down.
We have MP5, which is still technically not working. It's been jammed
Jammed up for a while. It's been jammed up for.
And right now we have what's up in the hood, suckers. And if you look over here, Tristan will show you these really quickly. So if I set them down right here really quickly,
We'll grab some popcorn.
you can still see that we have speeder loaders. Each one holds at least 150 of them.
We suppose.
Yes, supposedly. So we're done and so if we come over here, as you can see, we have two of these Laser X guns. You have one here and here, and they're both like if you want to order one online, it's only $50.
I wouldn't do it. They kind of suck.
Yeah, seriously. You see this part right here on the gun? That gets shot, it still counts.
You're out.
Okay, so now we'll come over here to our final Nerf section. So if you look right here, we have the Nerf Elite Hyperfire. Both sides. Usually it comes with drum mag, but I'd use a 12 to 16 to 18 mag clip. And right here we have Nerf Elite regulator, switch fire, 1, 3, full auto. And then we come over here, we have two Alpha Rogue snipers from Adventure Force. Not exactly Nerf, but it's still...
They have pretty good sights.
Yeah, trust me. This is way better than Nerf sights.
I can actually see the target.
Ah, that's funny.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh.
And the last...
Don't drop, guys.
Very closely, we have this, the Sharp Fire. It's from Nerf Elite. The accuracy isn't so great on it, but it's still pretty good. And here we have Zombie Strike Flip Fury. If you do like Zombie Strike, comment down below what your favorite Zombie Nerf Strike gun is, and that will get a huge shout out. And make sure you also comment down below on what you think about this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And moving on, we have the Zombie Strike Double Shot, and also it's for Zombie Strike. And let us know what your favorite Nerf gun is.
And a Zombie Strike. If you see this video, please sponsor us.
And this is the Nerf Elite Jolt, and that's all the time we practically have left. So we will see you guys tomorrow or sometime next weekend. So we hope you enjoyed this, and we will see you next time.